Hello folks, this is Andrew Nadeau from Stonehearth Capital Management here with an educational economic update for September 2021. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in August. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Stocks climbed higher in August as positive economic data outweighed a drop in consumer sentiment amid the spread of the Delta variant of the coronavirus. Stocks began the month on a positive note as the jobs picture continued to improve. According to the report, 943,000 new jobs were added in July, and the unemployment rate now stands at 5.4%. The leisure and hospitality sectors continue to account for the bulk of new jobs being created, adding 380,000 jobs for the month. This is a positive sign for continued economic growth. Also offering a glimmer of positivity was the July housing data released in August. For the first time in 4 months, the report showed that new home sales increased, advancing 1% in the July report. Sales of existing homes also rose 2.7% in July after a 1.4% increase in June. While these are bright spots in the economy, one data point that continues to worry investors is inflation. The inflation report for July showed that prices increased 0.5%, and the consumer price index is now 5.4% higher on a year-over-year basis. This is well above the Federal Reserve's inflation target of 2%. And while the Federal Reserve did not meet this month, their policy symposium at Jackson Hole was watched closely by investors for any indication as to when the current accommodative measures will start to be scaled back. And while a timeline was not offered, Federal Reserve President Jerome Powell did note that the current bond buying program will likely be reduced before the end of 2021. Additionally, Powell sought to quell investor concerns by reiterating the board's view that the current inflationary pressures we are seeing are indeed transitory and will cool off as bottleneck supply chain constraints are resolved. And through all of this, the major stock market indexes finished the month higher. The Nasdaq led the way, rising 4% in August, while the S&P 500 climbed 2.9% and the Dow gained 1.22%. As we transition from summer into fall, focus will be on the data and whether the economics can continue to support future market growth from these levels. Investors will also be paying close attention to any Delta variant outbreaks or rapid increase in positive COVID-19 cases, as this could lead to changes in mandates or restrictions that have previously been relaxed or eliminated and could put a pause on the current growth trajectory. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Andrew Nadeau with Stonehearth Capital Management signing off for the month of September 2021. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.